In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group objects in Adobe Express. Grouping is a simple but powerful way to keep your design elements organized so you can move, resize, and align them as a single unit. This is especially helpful when you're working with multiple shapes, text boxes, icons, or photos that need to stay together while you fine-tune your layout. Start on your canvas and select the objects you want to group. Click the first object, then hold the Shift key while you click each additional object you want included. You'll know items are selected when you see bounding boxes or handles around them. If it's easier, you can also click and drag a selection box across the canvas to capture multiple items at once. Just make sure everything you need is highlighted before you move on. Take a moment to zoom in if your objects are small or close together. Precision at this stage saves time later. Once your objects are selected, right-click on any one of them to open the context menu. On a trackpad, a two-finger click usually opens this menu. On some keyboards, holding Control while clicking does the same thing. The key is that you right-click on one of the selected items, not the background, so that Adobe Express knows which elements you're working with. In the menu that appears, click Group. As soon as you do, you'll see a single bounding box around the collection. From now on, those items will move, rotate, and scale together as if they were one object. This is perfect when you want to keep spacing and alignment consistent, like with a logo and its tagline, a button with an icon and text, or a set of shapes that form a custom badge. You can duplicate the group, align it within your layout, or resize it without losing the relationship between the parts. If you don't see the group option, double-check that more than one object is selected. If only one item is highlighted, the grouping command won't be available. Deselect by clicking on empty space, then try selecting again with Shift. Also be sure you're right-clicking on the selection itself, not outside the bounds. That's all there is to it. Select the objects, right-click on one of them, and click Group. Use this technique anytime you want to keep elements together and work faster with cleaner, more consistent designs. Thanks for watching, and happy designing in Adobe Express.